In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tag on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can clean up your profile and keep things consistent across your servers. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. Both work the same for this. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the small gear icon next to your avatar. That opens user settings. Inside that menu, find and select My Account. This is the hub for your core profile details, and it's the easiest place to start any account change. Next, head over to the security section in the left sidebar. Discord groups certain profile controls alongside security and privacy items, so this is a quick way to reach the right controls without digging around multiple menus. If your layout looks a little different, just scan the sidebar for security and click it. From there, choose Edit User Profile. This opens the profile editor where you can manage how your profile appears across Discord. It includes options like your bio, avatar, and server-specific settings, which is where the tag lives. Now scroll down until you see the server tag area. A server tag is a short label that may appear on your profile within a specific server. Some communities use tags to identify roles, interests, or categories at a glance. If you see a tag listed here, that's the one you'll remove. Click on the server tag to bring it into focus, then look for the small X next to the tag. Click the X to remove it. This action simply clears the tag from your profile. It doesn't send any notifications to other members. If the X isn't clickable, it may mean the tag is controlled by the server or tied to a role. In that case, you'd need an admin to change it, but for standard profile tags, the X will remove it immediately. Finally, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, typically at the bottom right of the editor, and click it. This step commits the update to your profile so the tag stays removed. If you switch pages without saving, the tag may reappear because the change wasn't confirmed. That's it. You opened Discord, went to My Account, moved into security, edited your user profile, found the server tag, clicked the X to remove it, and saved your changes. If you manage multiple servers, repeat this process where needed to keep your profile consistent. Thanks for watching and happy Discording.